the aliens, and why haven't we found them? On a clear night, when you look up at the sky, you see thousands of stars. But the astonishing truth is that what you see is only a tiny fraction of a single galaxy. The Milky Way alone contains between 100 and 400 billion stars, and many of those stars have planets orbiting them. Across the observable universe, there may be more than 2 trillion galaxies. If the laws of physics and chemistry are the same everywhere, and if life emerged here on Earth, then it seems logical that life should have appeared elsewhere too, perhaps millions of times. But this leads to a simple question, a question that is both fascinating and unsettling. If the universe is full of life, where is everyone? This question was famously asked by the physicist Enrico Fermi in the 1950s. It later became known as the Fermi Paradox. The paradox is simple. The universe is incredibly old, about 13.8 billion years. If even a single advanced civilization appeared just 1 million years before us, it might have had enough time to explore the entire galaxy. Some estimates suggest that a civilization capable of interstellar travel could spread across a galaxy in only a few million years. That is a very short time compared to the age of the universe. So if other civilizations exist, why haven't we seen any evidence? No signals, no spacecraft, no traces of cosmic civilizations, just silence. A deep, cosmic silence. Scientists have proposed several possible explanations. The first is simple. Space may simply be too vast. Even the closest star to Earth is more than 4 light-years away. Using the fastest spacecraft humans have built, reaching it could take tens of thousands of years. Interstellar travel may be far more difficult than we imagine. Another explanation is darker. Perhaps intelligent civilizations tend to destroy themselves. The very technologies that give a civilization power may also become the reason for its downfall. Nuclear wars, runaway artificial intelligence, environmental collapse. Civilizations might appear only to vanish before reaching the stars. But there is another possibility, one that is even stranger. What if they already exist, but simply choose not to reveal themselves? Some scientists suggest something known as the zoo hypothesis. The idea is that advanced civilizations may be observing Earth from afar, without interfering, just as humans observe animals in a protected wildlife reserve. We might be part of the experiment, without realizing it. There is also another possibility. Perhaps humanity is still at the very beginning. Humans have been sending radio signals into space for only about 100 years. That means our signals have reached only a tiny region of nearby stars. The universe may be filled with civilizations, but we simply haven't been around long enough to detect them. And yet, there is one final possibility, the most unsettling of all. What if intelligent life is extremely rare? Perhaps the emergence of complex life requires a long chain of incredibly rare events. A stable star, a habitable planet, liquid water, a protective atmosphere, and billions of years of evolution. Perhaps Earth is not just another planet. Perhaps it is a rare exception in an immense universe. Yet the search continues. Modern telescopes are discovering thousands of planets orbiting distant stars. Some of them lie in what scientists call the habitable zone, places where liquid water might exist, and where life might be possible. Perhaps one day we will detect a faint signal coming from a distant star. A simple signal, yet one powerful enough to change human history forever. And in that moment, we will finally know that the universe was never silent. It was only that we had not yet learned how to listen.